Little storyteller.
Violet the violin was a bright purple color, as cheerful as a sunny morning. She lived in a cozy music room, filled with sunshine and friendly instrument friends. There was Carlos the cello, big and brown with a deep voice, and Fiona the flute, silver and light as a breeze. Violet loved to play. She wanted everyone to hear her beautiful music, so she often played her solos very loudly. "Listen to me," she would sing, her strings vibrating with energy. One sunny afternoon, Carlos was playing a low, steady tune. It sounded like a gentle hum. Fiona joined in, her notes floating like tiny silver bubbles. Violet wanted to play her loudest solo, right then, but something made her pause. She listened to Carlos's deep hum and Fiona's light bubbles. Violet tried playing along, not as loud as she usually did. She listened carefully to the notes Carlos and Fiona were playing. She tried to find notes that sounded nice with theirs. It was like adding her purple color to Carlos's brown and Fiona's silver. Together they made something even more beautiful. They played together, listening to each other's sounds. Carlos's deep notes were like the strong roots of a tree. Fiona's light notes were like the leaves dancing in the wind, and Violet's bright notes were like colorful flowers blooming in between. Their music flowed through the sunny room, making it feel even warmer and happier. When they finished their song, Violet felt a new kind of happy. It wasn't just the happy of playing loudly, but the happy of playing together. "That was wonderful," she exclaimed. Carlos rumbled in agreement, and Fiona's silver keys twinkled. From that day on, Violet still loved to play her solos, but she also loved playing with Carlos and Fiona. She learned that when instruments play together and listen to each other, they create something called harmony. Harmony is like mixing colors. Each instrument adds its own beautiful sound to make an even more beautiful song.
Please subscribe. Thank you.